Tilly, I have to tell you something. I think you're a dingbat.
Guys, my mama think I'm a dingbat, right? Hold on. Let me just put my perfume on. Now, who's the dingbat? I smell so good. I smell like I can shake my butt. Ooh, yeah.
Tilly,
You are not allowed to be doing that. No, 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 no. No, no, no. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Hey there, I got some sad news. Your mama died.
don't worry, Dad. I can bring her back to life.
That's impossible. As a doctor, I know